Mga igsoon, mga igala, mga kabaro, mga hinigugman akong bulanon, no, maayong buntag kanyo nga tanan. Aniya na usap kita dinhi sa Kampo Daguhoy tungod kay nanapod tay bisita mga kaigsuunan. Walay lain kundi si Police Major General Bernard M. Banak, no. Sa dili pa na mga igsuon, no, na ako'y classmate, no, nga bag-o bagid kining nahuman sa iyahang junior leadership course. Ako atong welcome mga igsuon ang akong classmate na kinukupahan, walay lain kundi si Police Staff Sergeant Cindy Alparero. Ma'am, sabi ng akong classmate nga
may buntag sa tanan.
Pasensya na mga kaigsuunan, no, kay medyo maawawon pero pagtik ni mga istorya mga kaigsuunan kay top 1 no. Sa mga igsoon kamatuoran niya sakto tong akong istorya, no, pero maawaw lang siya mga kaigsuunan. Ato ang tanawon ang atong bisita karon o taud-taud og welcome mo sa ato ang live karong adlaw.
Directorate for Information and Communication Technology Management, Police Major General Bernard M. Banak. He is being accompanied by the host, the Provincial Director of Bohol Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Lorenzo A. Batuan, and Company Commander, Police Lieutenant Colonel Lucidarius C. Balaga III.
pasabog ng ating panauhing matagal na si Police Major General Bernard Julianida Banak, Director the Directorate for Information and Communication Technology Management, National Headquarters. Ang kanyang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal ay ginawad natin sa kanya sa umagang ito.
Police Major General Bank, together with the Police Colonel Lorenzo
M. Banak. Lord, protect us and send us your Holy Spirit to enlighten us in all our undertakings and responsibilities, so that we will be guided and protected in every way. With this opportune time, allow me to ask our good director of the DICTM for his support and guidance for the Bolano Police in our continuous delivery of public service. And without further ado, allow me to welcome you all to the visit of Police Major General Bernard M. Banak.
All blessings and glory to our God for this wonderful opportunity given to me to be able to visit my home province, the great province of the Daguhoy, Bohol Provincial Police Office. Palakpakan na to. And let me give my thanks and appreciation to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Lorenzo A. Batuan, for the warm welcome and reception. Of course, our Chief of the Regional Information Communications Technology Management Division of PRO7, my counterpart, Police Colonel Jovi Atanasio, our DPDA, Police Colonel Valle, the rest of the staff, the officers, our chiefs of police in various municipalities and city of Bohol Provincial Police Office. To all our personnel, our PNCOs, non-commissioned officers, guests, a blessed morning to all of us. Indeed, it is a great honor and privilege to be welcomed here at the Provincial Police Office, as this is an opportunity for me to keep in touch with my roots. There is Bohol. It's been quite a long time since the last time I was able to visit here. I think during the time of General Chief Gamboa, I had the opportunity to visit and katong natay kauban nga personnel na namatay. Diri gihaya sa chapel. No? Sergeant Bakwa. Oh. So nakabisita mi diri ni Chief Gamboa that time, pero dali lang kayo. I think that was during the time 2019 or 2020. No? And since that time, karon na lang pod ko nakabalik diri. Now, the reason why I come to PRO7 is to once again remind our units and offices in PRO7. That includes Bohol Provincial Police Office, on the 5 focus agenda of the Chief PNP, particularly the ICT development. So, during the time, the administration of Police General Benjamin C. Acorda Jr., this is the only time that ICT has been given that significance and importance. Karon na lang gitagaan og significance og importance ang ICT, whereas before relegated lang siya, no, to the background, murag support lang ni siya. Pero karon ang ICT gibutang gayud as one of the focus agenda of the Chief PNP, giving utmost importance to ICT. With the advent of technology, every year there is a new technology coming out. Therefore, we need to keep up with our ICT systems and infrastructure. So that is what I am going to bring to you this morning, the message of the Chief PNP on ICT development. And yesterday, I was at the headquarters of PRO7, and I was able to hear and witness for myself the development of ICT in PRO7, and I'm very glad and thankful that you have done a great strides in your infrastructure and systems development.